This is Anushka Vani, Digital Editor at EM and A&D Magazine, and welcome back to the Morning Bytes, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility. This week's headlines focuses on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you kickstart your week. In today's episode, we will talk about StarEQ and Vaakulab Technologies joining forces, pharmacy automation systems market size, EV makers wanting the government to relax visa norms, and the aerospace sector adapting to AI technologies. Before we start, we are pleased to present Dr. Anil Lamba, Chartered Accountant, Financial Literacy Activist, author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
You must have often come across the word leverage used in the context of finance. Leverage is derived from an engineering term called lever, the use of which helps lift a weight disproportionately greater than the effort exerted. Similarly, in finance, leverage denotes a magnified impact on the bottom line due to a small increase in the top line. In engineering, lever works on the principle of fulcrum. In finance, the role of fulcrum is played by the presence of fixed costs. Higher the fixed costs in your costing structure, the greater the leverage effect.
Star Engineers proudly introduced StarEQ, a manifestation of the same unwavering passion that fueled its legacy. StarEQ is committed to delivering meticulous solutions tailored to the emerging electric vehicles landscape. Additionally, with the immense pride, StarEQ announced a strategic partnership with Vaakulab Technologies, an Indian startup that has emerged as a trailblazer in the indigenous manufacturing of battery management systems for lithium batteries. Vaakulab Technologies boasts rich energy of over 5 years of research and development, solidifying its position as a prominent player in the BMS domain. Their BMS solutions have been adopted by more than 85 battery companies across India, collectively accumulating an astonishing mileage of over 10 lakh kilometers of electric vehicles and a staggering 12 lakh hours of usage in energy storage systems. The synergy between StarEQ and Vaakulab Technologies is not only limited to the present initiative alone. The partnership is committed to furthering innovation and development a suite of advanced EV products aimed at addressing the global customer base and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Between 2023 and 2031, the market for pharmacy automation systems is anticipated to grow significantly. Due to the adoption of strategic approaches of key players, the market is now growing steadily and is anticipated to experience further expansions in the future. Pharmacy automation is the mechanization or automation of activities carried out in pharmacies and other healthcare facilities. It consists of procedures like tabletop counters, packaging, labeling, and medical dispensing, in addition to streamlining the pharmacy operations and lowering the possibilities of mistakes. Pharmacy automation enables hospitals to refocus the pharmacy employees on activities directly related to the patient care. Before we go ahead, let's talk about QVI, a world-leading manufacturer of precision multi-sensor metrology system for industrial quality control.
50,000 passenger flights each day depend on reliable jet engine power, something millions of passengers take for granted. Behind that reliability is some of the world's most advanced manufacturing technology. Measurement systems from QVI are part of it. The precision QVI brings to aerospace component manufacturers helps make air transportation more routine. From ensuring that thousands of parts in a jet engine deliver power when it's needed, to making sure your seatbelt stays latched for takeoff. Plastic bottles help keep us going when we're on the run. And when we put the cap back on our water bottle, we know it won't spill. When it comes to thermomolded plastics, manufacturers rely on QVI precision for fast, accurate dimensional control of their molding process. For mold makers, That precision means fast, accurate thread and seal surface measurements. For the rest of us, precision means longer shelf life and fewer spills from bottled drinks. Safety, reliability, and fuel economy are factors we take for granted every time we drive, yet all depend on thousands of close tolerance parts assembled perfectly. Automotive manufacturers rely on precision measurements at dozens of points in the making of every part, from cylinder heads to drive shafts to anti-lock brakes. More often than not, they turn to QVI for flexible measuring systems that perform day in and day out, right on the shop floor. Just a few years ago, prosthetic joints were largely a dream. Today, they're a common way to renew mobility and extend active lives. When it comes to surgical implants and drug delivery systems, precision is everything. QVI's advanced multi-sensor technologies allow medical device manufacturers to measure critical dimensions more reliably than ever before. From a syringe that delivers the correct dose to a knee implant with a perfect fit. Precision improves the quality of care and life for patients every day. Smartphones and tablets are essential tools for staying connected, in business and for life. Sleek and durable designs let us take our devices with us anywhere. Portable devices are incredibly complex to build. QVI measurement systems deliver the precision needed to fabricate circuits, etch hard disk heads, and fit touchscreen panels to the coolest phone cases. At the end of the day, QVI systems help make wireless mobile devices work on the go. Every great story has a beginning. Ours starts with people, the people who bring our precision to life, and the people whose lives are improved because of it. With more than 400 dedicated employees offering local support to manufacturers in more than 75 countries, QVI and our partners deliver precision across the entire spectrum of industry, from global manufacturers to local job shops. Precision for people is more than something we say. It's what we stand for.
According to the Business Line's recent report on the EV market in India, the EV manufacturing and battery makers want the government to open up visa facilities for the entry of the Chinese nationals to travel to India, since the EV makers believe that they have a better knowledge with the technicalities of how to drive the industry. The report has mentioned that according to the sources, India requires about thousands of Chinese engineers to help them in manufacturing low-cost and powerful batteries. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovation and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up-to-date and adapt to the evolving landscape. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest developments and trends. Join our community to remain informed and keep pace with the changes unfolding in your industry. C.V. Ananthakrishnan, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Chairman and Managing Director, has said that the innovation is a need of the hour, since the aerospace industry is reflecting rapid advancements on artificial intelligence based on tools to enhance safety of the systems. He also added that AI-based components of aeroplanes are maintained using products and tools. AI-based automatic carbon recognition technologies are being utilized. He said that the government-run HAL had consistently supported R&D and innovation to help India become self-sufficient in the aerospace sector. Adoption of advanced materials and manufacturing design and techniques is one of the key aspects of innovation. That was it for this week's industrial updates. We will be back next week. For more updates, log on to www.pi-india.in. Thank you and have a nice day.